barbecue meat. It's easy, simply, and clear. And see what we've got. So best time to cook. Enjoy the process. So wait some minutes. Not the target is necessary, only way. Secret ingredient, like a sal. We need some smoke. Smoke from fire. Wow, what a meat! It's a barbecue meat with smoke, barbecue smoke. You need to try this. So we need some plain bread. You may ask why? Why we need bread? Because all juices, aromats will be inside the meat. Almost ready. Check this out, guys. Check this out. You will need some time to take it rest. Next, corn on fire. Meat is ready. Perfectly. Absolutely. Sauce. Delicious meat on fire. So, final ingredient. Pork on fire. What a perfectly cooked meat and corn. Let's try. You need to taste this. Very delicious.